KBB.com Brand Image Awards. This GMC Savana Cargo van delivers a gas V8 4.8 liters/293 engine powering this automatic transmission. Engine, VORTEC 4.8 liters V8 SFI, 285 horsepower, 212.5 kilowatts, at 5,400 revolutions per minute, 295 pounds-to-foot of torque, 398.3 Nm, at 4,600 revolutions per minute. STD, includes external engine oil cooler, wipers, front intermittent wet arm with pulse washers, windows, power, included with ZQ2, convenience package. This GMC Savana Cargo van features the following options: warning tones, headlamp on and key in ignition, visors, driver and front passenger, cloth, padded, transmission, 6-speed automatic, heavy duty, electronically controlled with overdrive tow/haul mode and internal transmission oil cooler. Reference the engine/axle page for availability. Transmission oil cooler, external, deleted when LWN 2.8 liters Duramax Turbo Diesel engine is ordered. Tow/haul mode selector, instrument panel mounted, tires, rear LT 245/75 R16E all season. Blackwall, tires, front LT 245/75 R16E all season. Blackwall, tire, spare LT 245/75 R16 all season. Blackwall located at rear underbody of vehicle, tire pressure monitoring system, does not monitor spare tires, theft-deterrent system. Visit us today. Come in for a quick visit of Laird Wheaton, 2590 Bowen Road, Nanaimo, British Columbia V93L3 to claim your GMC Savana Cargo van.